Hi everyone, today I am super excited to be showing you a very simple recipe, and I'm also super happy that you clicked on this video because today I'm going to be showing you a very flavorful liver recipe. So let's get to it. I bought my liver at my local butchery and I removed the membrane, then I cubed it up and put it in my bowl. Then I added in fresh milk. This is to remove toxins from the liver. I know you didn't know that. So let it sit for around 20 to 30 minutes before cooking. So I'm going to put this aside. Then we're going to start cooking. So in a large pan, add some cooking oil. That is about 2 tablespoons of oil. Then I'll add my onions. I've roughly chopped about 2 large white onions. So I'll add this to the pan. Stir. I'll add coriander stems into my pan. You don't want to waste your coriander stems. They are usually so flavorful. Stir. Just when the onions are about to be soft, I'll add my garlic. Stir. I'm loving the aromas in my kitchen right now. Now that my onions are ready, I'm going to add my liver. Yay! Listen to that sizzle. You start to combine with the garlic, the coriander, the onions. This is going to be yummy. So you'll cook this down for about 2 minutes. Just stirring. You just stir. So it has turned from red to brown. The moment it hits the pan. Liver usually cooks really fast, so I'm going to add my tomatoes. Stir. Then I'll add some salt, about half a teaspoon of salt. Pepper. For my pepper, I'm adding about a 1/4 teaspoon of, not even a quarter, but let me say just a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. So you can reduce the black pepper also. Stir. Then now I'll add my green pepper or green capsicum. So you let this cook for around 1 to 2 minutes or until your tomatoes cook through. And also you keep stirring as they cook because they can burn. Look at how my liver is looking, you guys. I can't wait to dig in this liver with ugali. Let your liver cook for around 5 minutes, and also if you find it that your liver is dry, you can add a little bit of water so that it can help with the cooking. So my liver is ready. I'm going to switch my gas off. Then it's time to plate. Yeah. Look at how my liver is looking. The reason I added a lot of onions is because it will turn out very creamy and oniony. You can spot the onions from my camera. That is what I wanted. So thank you so much guys for watching, and if you enjoyed me making this absolutely delicious liver, please give this video a thumbs up. And also, if you're new here, welcome so much to my channel where I show you easy and amazing recipes. So catch you on my next episode. Bye.